Hey, welcome back. If you want to build real hands-off income in 2025, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the exact AI tools creators are using right now to launch passive income streams. From faceless YouTube channels to print-on-demand stores, niche affiliate blogs, selling prompts and templates, AI-narrated audiobooks, even micro SaaS built on a custom GPTs. I'll explain what each tool does, how to combine them, and give you a simple 7-day blueprint to launch one stream fast. Stay until the end. I'll reveal a 3-step template creators use to scale from zero to a consistently automated funnel. No tech degree required. And quick disclaimer, AI speeds up work. It doesn't guarantee money. Use it responsibly, respect platform rules, and always add human quality control. Later, I'll show a tiny copy and paste prompt bundle you can plug into any AI tool to create your first product in under 48 hours. Quick framework, how to think about AI. Passive income before tools. Here's the framework I'll use across all examples. Create, automate, publish, monetize, maintain a tiny check. 1. Create, use AI to generate the core asset, script, design, voice, dataset. 2. Automate. Hook the tools together so work runs with minimal input. APIs, Zapier/Make, built-in automations. 3. Publish. Send the finished product to platforms. YouTube, Shopify, KDP, Substack, stock marketplaces. 4. Monetize. Ads, affiliate links, product sales, subscriptions, or marketplace royalties. 5. Maintain. One short weekly review, tweak titles, ad targeting, and content refreshes. This simple loop is how creators turn a one-time build into recurring revenue. The tools change, but the loop stays the same. 1. Faceless YouTube, AI avatars plus TTS plus editor. What it is: create videos without filming. Script with an LLM, turn script into an AI avatar video, add a realistic AI voice, edit, upload on a schedule. This is one of the fastest ways to build a scalable channel. Core stack and how to use it. Script and outlines. Use ChatGPT, Jasper, Surfer AI to generate SEO-focused scripts. AI avatar and video. Synthesia converts text into a talking avatar in dozens of languages. Perfect for faceless multilingual channels. Voice. 11 Labs produces natural, emotive TTS and voice cloning for polished narration. Editing plus captions. Descript gives fast editing, filler word removal, and overdub fixes, so you don't need multiple takes. Enhancements, like visuals. Use Runway or Pictory for B-roll, scene transitions, or AI-assisted video clips. Why it's passive. Once you build templates, faster scripting, reusable avatars, and a publishing automation, you can batch produce and schedule videos that earn ad revenue and affiliate clicks for months. 2. Automated niche blogs. Affiliate sites. AI plus SEO tools. What it is: build targeted content sites that rank for buyer keywords, bring organic traffic, and convert it with affiliate links or display ads. Core stack and how to use it. Research and keyword targeting. Tools like Ahrefs/Surfer SEO give topical maps and the exact on-page formula to rank. Write and optimize. Generate drafts with ChatGPT or Surfer AI and then use Surfer Content Editor to meet on-page ratios and structure. Automate publishing. Connect your CMS, WordPress, with Zapier/Make to auto-create posts from approved drafts and trigger social shares. Why it's passive. Once an article ranks, it can earn affiliate commissions and ads for months or years with occasional updates. The AI tools mainly speed up content creation and scaling. 3. Print on demand, AI art, Shopify plus fulfillment. What it is: design graphics with AI, push to a POD app, sell on Shopify or Etsy, and let fulfillment handle orders. Core stack and how to use it. Design, generate artwork with Midjourney/Canva Magic Media text to image, Tweak in Canva. Store and fulfillment. Push designs to Printful or Printify, which integrate directly with Shopify to automate orders and shipping. Why it's passive. After listing products and driving traffic, ads or organic, orders are fulfilled automatically. You only handle marketing and occasional design refreshes. 4. Selling prompts, templates, and micro products. What it is: package valuable prompts, workflows, templates, or mini courses, and sell them on marketplaces or Gumroad. How to sell. Marketplaces like PromptBase let prompt engineers sell tested prompts for Midjourney, GPTs, and more. It's a low-effort, high-leverage product. Create once, sell repeatedly. Why it's passive. Prompts and templates are digital products. Zero inventory, instant delivery, recurring revenue from the same asset. 5. AI-narrated audiobooks and audio products. What it is: convert public domain or original content into audiobooks or audio courses using high-quality AI voices. Tools and policy note. Platforms like Audible ACX have launched AI narration options and pilot programs for AI-narrated audiobooks. But policies and public sentiment are changing fast, so disclose AI use and check platform rules before publishing. Production stack. Use 11 Labs or Murph for natural narration, clean up into script, then upload to distribution channels that accept AI narration or sell directly. 6. Micro SaaS and custom GPTs. Productize a GPT. What it is: build a tiny SaaS or a paid custom GPT that solves a niche problem. Resume reviewer contract summarizer, local SEO assistant, and charge users a subscription. Core stack and how to build. Custom GPTs and GPT Store, OpenAI's GPT Builder, and the GPT Store. Let creators publish specialty GPTs, combine with a landing page and Stripe to monetize. No-code front ends. Tools like Bubble or low-code platforms plus the OpenAI API let you productize capabilities quickly. Use webhooks and Make/Zapier for automation. Why it's passive. Once subscription billing and onboarding are automated, your main work is feature updates and support. The product can yield recurring revenue. 7. Optional and risky. Trading bots. Quick note: crypto trading bots, like 3 Commas or Haas Online, exist and can run automated strategies 24/7. But this is high risk and not passive income in the safe sense. If you include trading, backtest heavily, use small capital, and understand losses are possible. Launch Blueprint. 7-day fast start. Apply to any single stream. Day 1. Decide and research. Pick one strategy. I'll use faceless YouTube as the example. Keyword research plus outline. Surfer/ChatGPT. Day 2. Create template assets. Generate 5 video scripts. Create 1 avatar in Synthesia. Clone a voice in 11 Labs. Day 3. Produce V1. Convert script to avatar video to edit into script. Day 4. Us on Polish and SEO. Optimize title description with targeted keywords and timestamps. Surfer/Ahrefs. Day 5. Batch produce 4 more. Use templates to speed up. Day 6. Publish and automate. Schedule uploads. Set Zapier to share to playlists and social. Day 7. Tweak and promote. Small ad test, post in niche communities, and review analytics. If you follow the loop: create, automate, publish, monetize, maintain, you'll have a working funnel in 1 week. No magic, just speed and repetition. All right, that's a lot, but also very practical. Faceless YouTube, niche blogs, POD, prompts, templates, audiobooks, and micro SaaS are the strongest, repeatable ways creators are building passive income with AI in 2025. I included tool links in the description and timestamped each section so you can jump to the strategy you want. If you want the exact prompt bundle plus the 3-step scaling template, the copy-paste kit I mentioned, drop a yes in the comments and I'll pin it. If you try any stack in this video, Comment which one, and I'll suggest the best first day checklist for you.